ThirdLight is designed to give you the ability to centralize, search, share and collaborate on all your media. ThirdLight supports a huge range of file types so you can manage your images, your video, audio, graphics and more from one central location, keeping everything in one single secure place. ThirdLight works within your web browser, so you don't need to install any third-party applications to use it. You can choose to store your media using ThirdLight on your own local server, or alternatively on a high-speed private cloud hosted by ThirdLight, so you can connect with your files anywhere.
I reminisce. Yeah. I reminisce for a spell, or shall I say think back 22 years ago to keep it on track. The birth of a child on the 8th of October. A toast, but my granddaddy came sober. Count all the fingers and the toes, now I suppose you hope the little...
The interface is divided into three main areas. On the left hand side we can see tools that lets us manage and control our media. The center is where we can view our media, and the right is where we can select actions. Focusing on this central viewing area, and I've got two folders which we can browse the contents. So if I go into this sample images folder here, we can see these thumbnails. If I actually hover over these assets, I can instantly see a preview of that image and its related metadata. Just going back onto that main screen, we can see that we've got a collections area, and this really is a convenient way of getting your assets together into one place. So you can create your collections and then you can save a range of your particular assets or videos as a collection. Your assets actually stay in their original locations, but they're gathered under collections for easy retrieval. And below that we can see smart folders. Define your search criteria and search across your content and have the results of that search then appear in your smart folder. You're not actually duplicating assets, it's just acting as a filter, so anything that you search for will automatically appear within those folders. On the right hand side we can see the actions tools available, and we can see here that we can add new folders, we can add new smart folders or collections. We've got the options to edit files or edit their metadata. We can move and delete content. We can optionally zip a selection of content or reduce resolution on content, and you can change your viewing preferences. ThirdLight provides some very extensive tools for searching. If I go to the top left here, we can see that we've got the ability to enter keywords. And if I do that search, it'll immediately pull back the search result. If I look in the console view, we can see down the bottom here that it's actually picked up that keyword beach. We will see on the right hand side now that we've actually got the ability to refine that search. So we can see that we've got some keywords that are listed to refine that search, some captions, some active creation dates. But under the advanced options, we can say which of the following conditions should match. We can say all or any. We can then select from primary metadata, location, file content, IMS metadata, and you can keep adding conditions in. One of the options that you get is when you refine those search, you can actually save that out as a smart folder. That means that anything that meets that search criteria, whether it meets it today or it's an asset that gets uploaded in a couple of weeks, will automatically appear in that smart folder. And we can see that we've got an option here for sharing. We can share it out as a link, we can share to Facebook, we can share on Twitter, we can share via Dropbox, we can also share via email. We've also got the ability to actually share via a lightbox. So what I'll do is under the lightbox area here, I'm going to create a new lightbox. So what we can do now is actually select an image or a number of images, and under the actions I'm going to say add to lightbox, and we can see now in my lightbox area that I've got the option to share. If I click on open lightbox, we can see those three images are now within that lightbox. What we've then got the ability to do is add people to be able to view that content. Any users that are on the platform will be listed automatically, but we have got the ability to invite external users. We can see under the download options that we can actually repurpose the image to a number of predetermined settings, and we can see under this download area that we've got some of those predetermined options. Under advanced options, this gives us the ability to actually customize our download when we're repurposing that asset. can select from some predetermined options, or we can enter our own options. So we can change the image dimensions, we can turn off constrained proportions, we can change our units here. And if we go to the advanced options, we can actually select alternative format, we can change the image resolution, we can adjust the color space to RGB or CMYK or grayscale, we can just select black and white, and we've also got the option to actually crop that content. We can actually repurpose video as well. Again, under the download options, we've actually got the ability to repurpose it into different formats, so we can see AVI or a 30-second preview. We can actually create clips as well of the content. So rather than downloading the entire video, you can actually crop the exact area that you're looking for, and then once you're happy with that, you can generate a new clip and download it. So ThirdLight gives you the ability to modify or update metadata either once it's in the platform or even at the point of uploading, and you can define metadata even on folders, so any assets that are delivered to a specific folder will then inherit that metadata on arrival. And we can see here some of the primary metadata that's been embedded within this image. We can see this caption information, keywords that have been assigned through, any special instructions. We've also got date information, got the option to have location information here, so we can see that location, and you can actually even view that positioning from that metadata directly in Google Maps. So we can see where this image was taken, and it's in the middle of the North Pacific Ocean. ThirdLight enables you to configure custom metadata. So from here you can provide your users keywords that are predefined that they can use to tag assets. You can create those control keywords to enable you to develop your own dictionary or internal lexicon. That really just gives you a quick overview of some of the options that are available within ThirdLight.